Hey everybody, this is your AVID 3 homepage. I just wanted to give you a quick guide as to what to do when you first get here on the first day. As you see, this is the homepage. There's a slideshow here that you need to click through by pushing this button. Also, here is the schedule. We will go live in this class about 10:15 each day. It says 10:10, but I'll give you some time to make sure everybody gets on. We will rarely go till 11, but we could. So that's the time that you need to be live with me via Zoom. You'll find that Zoom link in modules, which is right over here. Everything for this course will be in modules, so super easy if you just follow it this way. Asynchronous means on your own without me. So you'll do these 3 things. Sports U is what we are using this year instead of Remind. Super easy, just click on that. I'll tell you exactly how to do it. And then synchronous is when we're together. So at 10:15 it says August 18th. Here's the Zoom link. You'll click on that and it'll take you right to the Zoom. If you're having any confusion, if you're missing something, here's another brief video that you can click on here for help. And then same thing on the next day, asynchronous, synchronous, and that's how it'll work. So if you ever can't find anything, just go to the modules and follow that is my suggestion for it to be the most easy to follow and simple. So here's the homepage. Make sure you check this bell schedule so you're in your other classes on time. And then down here at the bottom, we have some video expectations we'll go over on the first day. So if you have any questions, please send me an email or send a question via the chat or the inbox on here. And we will talk more on our first day. Thanks. Look forward to seeing you guys.